Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to get started with CapCut. CapCut is a powerful video editing app for Android. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced video editor, CapCut is a great app to have on your phone. So let's dive in and get started. The first step is to download and install CapCut. For that, you need to go to the Play Store. And from here, you need to search for the CapCut. Just open this one and click on install. Once it is downloaded, open the app to get started. Here, just click on accept. To start editing your video, you need to import it into CapCut. To import a video, tap on the plus icon that is shown here. Here, click on allow to access the CapCut to your storage. Now select the video that you want to import. I am going to import these two videos and click on add. Now that you have your video imported, it's time to start editing. CapCut offers a variety of editing tools including trimming, splitting, adding text, adding music, and many more. To trim your video, just tap on the video, and here, just use this slider to trim it down. You can tap in here to undo the process. You can split the video just by tapping on this one. This will split your video into two parts. And now if you want to add the text and the video, just click on this text icon. And here just tap on add text. Here write the text. You can resize it. You can also change its color. You can also add the effect to your text just by clicking on this tab, just by tapping on the effect. And from here, select the text effect that you want to add to your video text. By selecting your text, you can also increase or decrease the time period for your text. You can also add the transition just by tapping on this middle icon. Here, select the transition that you want to add. If you want to apply on all of the video, just click on this apply to all. Or if you want to add to this single partition, just click on this tick icon. You can also draw your own art on this one. And once you are done with this, now go back, and from here you can add the audio. If you want to add the music to your video, you can use this option. And from here, just select the sound and select the music that you want to add. Again, if you want to add the stickers, you can add it from here. If you want to add the overlay, you can use this option. If you want to add the filters to your video, use this option. And from here, just select the filter that you want to add. And once you are happy with your filter, just click on this tick icon. And there you go. Once you have edited your video, and now it's time to export this. For that, you just need to click on this icon here. It will take some time to export your video. And that's it. Once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to social media platforms, for example Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. And that's it. We hope this tutorial helped you to get started with CapCut on Android. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.